Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your PayPal password step by step. Whether you want to improve your account security or update an old password, this tutorial is for you. On your PayPal dashboard, all we need to do is click the gear button in the upper right corner of the page. Once we click the gear button, we will be taken to the settings page. Here, we can see options like security, data privacy, and seller tools. To change the password, we go to the security section. Here, we can see the password option. To update it, we simply click Update. Now, we need to enter our current password, then enter our new password and confirm it. Once that is done, we click the Change Password button and our password will be updated automatically. This keeps our account protected, our financial information secure, and our PayPal access safe. Once we are finished, all we need to do is close, and our PayPal account will be updated with the new password. And that's it. We now know how to change our PayPal password.